Spring is the most awaited and most celebrated season after a long cold winter. There is no better place than Washington DC to welcome spring and celebrate the Cherry Blossom Festival. This video is about how you guys can see cherry blossoms in Washington DC. I'm going to target 3 questions. When is the best time to see the blossoms? What are the best spots and how to get to those spots? When is the best time to see the blossom? Ideally, you want to plan to visit DC during the peak blossom week, which means the buds are at a 70% blossom. So the big question is, how would I know? There are a lot of websites that tell you when is the peak blossom week. One of those sites is the Cherry Blossom Watch. So you can go to their website and actually see what the updates are. There are a lot of pictures which shows you how much of a blossom has taken place and when is the prediction. The mean date of the bloom is around about April 1st week. So you want to look at the blossom chart about mid-March to figure out when it's going to be peak blossom. Next is, what are the best spots to see the blossom? There are 3 major trails that you can take to see the cherry blossoms, of which the Tidal Basin Loop is the most famous since the cherry blossoms are all around the Tidal Basin. The second trail is the Memorial Loop Trail, where you can see the memorials and the cherry blossoms which complement one another. It's a perfect trail for someone visiting DC for the first time. The third one is the Haynes Point Loop Trail, which gives you an opportunity to see different cherry trees along the trail. Now that you know the best spots, how do you get there? Metro would be your best option. The Smithsonian Station or the National Mall would be your ideal stop, from where you can get to the Tidal Basin in less than 15 minutes. Sometimes it gets really crowded, so you might want to get down at other stops like the Federal Triangle or the Federal Center Station. If you're planning to travel by metro, make sure that you have the Smart Trip card. They are super helpful since you don't have to stand in long lines during rush hours. A perfect cherry blossom is a rare thing, and you can spend your whole life looking for one, and it will not be a wasted life. But after watching this video, you might have a better chance of seeing a perfect cherry blossom.